Novatek International, your partner for utility monitoring and contamination control. No matter where water fits into your process, it is challenging to control, as is also the case for clean steam, gases, and HVAC utilities. Companies must follow strict regulatory quality standards and mitigate contamination risk by validating and regularly monitoring these utilities. In the era of big data, regulations are evolving to encourage data analytics. Trending capabilities, preventative actions, and process improvement are essential for a complete contamination control strategy and can help you avoid violations, hefty fines, and warning letters. Critical monitoring data comes from various sources, including inline continuous monitoring, discrete samples collected and processed where results are entered or automatically transmitted from system-linked devices. Automated data collection results in contemporaneous access to validated data. Automated pattern recognition detecting seasonal variability or any change in the monitoring data can be used as the basis for preventative measures to achieve contamination control. Trending historical data sets limits and helps companies understand their utility systems. Analytics facilitate root cause analysis and continuous system improvement while eliminating contamination risks and ensuring patient safety. Novatek is the partner of choice for a holistic solution that provides a comprehensive contamination control strategy, thus ensuring productivity, quality, and regulatory compliance. Novatek's industry experts partner with companies to create solutions that meet the latest global regulations for cleanroom and utility systems control, effluent and wastewater management, HVAC filter qualification, and data analytics and trending to support all these processes. It's easier than you think. Our white paper explains how you can trend your data to achieve regulatory compliance.